Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Greg Olma with Key Performance Ideas, and I would like to welcome you to our webinar, Complementing Hyperion to Supercharge Your Current Reporting Capabilities. Today's webinar will be presented by David Decker. David Decker is a BI consulting lead for Key Performance Ideas and has more than 19 years of information management experience with expertise specifically in OBIEE and relational database management systems. Most recently, he has provided consulting services to companies across a wide range of industries, including Expedia, Aramark, and Panasonic Avionics. Thank you for presenting today, David.
Hi, Greg. Thank you. So today we're going to be talking about how companies with Hyperion can expand their reporting capabilities with OBIEE. We're going to do a little bit of a brief overview of the Hyperion dashboard offering. Then we'll delve into OBIEE dashboarding, their interactive analysis tools, the mobile offering, OBIEE monitoring and alerts, and we'll have, over the course of this, a little bit of description of the drilling and navigation capabilities. For a time, Hyperion offered a dashboarding solution called BI Plus Web Analysis. This looked to be promising. However, it was announced that it will reach its terminal release in 11.1.2. So they did, for a small time, offer a mixed data solution. However, they decommissioned that. There's also Hyperion Cloud Dashboards. The cloud offering provided some dashboarding capabilities. However, there's no possibility in those dashboarding capabilities to display mixed data from multiple data sources. So while you did get some nice dashboarding, if you have other important data outside of your Hyperion installation, you need a second report application to display that data or access that data. And in the Hyperion dashboarding solution, of course, since it's a single source, you can only drill to data that is contained in your Hyperion cubes. So what you get is a single data source view of your Hyperion data. While that can be very powerful, it's obviously very self-contained inside your Hyperion cube itself. There was some, they do provide drill down if you do want to see your underlying data. However, that was very limited to a single view of your data, so you could view what builds up your cube. It does require a separate setup and still only provides one level of detail to that underlying data with very little interactivity. So Hyperion has some decent functionality if you only want to stay inside your Hyperion data and you don't want to move around too much outside of it. It does have that speed of thought ability if you're staying inside your cube. So let's talk now about some Oracle Business Intelligence, which I'm just going to call OBIEE instead of speaking that mouthful as we move forward. So the power of OBIEE, what we get is everything all in one place. You can leverage your Hyperion cubes, combine them with data out of Teradata, SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL. We can develop interactive dashboards, develop simple spreadsheets, deliver all that information to mobile. We can also leverage Access database, Excel spreadsheets, whatever you want. So OBIEE handles all of it. In OBIEE interactive dashboarding, what it allows you to do is display multiple reports from any number of data sources. The reports are completely interactive, and you have the ability to drill up, drill down, or drill across. Now, the power there is that every one of these reports you see on this dashboard can be from a different data source. So you can get a combined view of your business. You could have Essbase up there on the left while also looking at Teradata on the right with information coming from SQL Server on the bottom left. It also allows you to navigate from one data source to another. It's all in the setup. All of these dashboard reports are built using an interactive analysis tool called Answers. This tool provides a user-friendly, simplified data model that can be created using everyday business terms. So all of the mapping to your individual data sources is done in the back end. And then what's displayed to your users can be simplified, intuitive business terms. These reports can all be interactive. They can be leveraged on your dashboards as well as leveraged as standalone reports with their own self-contained filters, or you can use this tool as a exploration tool to do ad hoc analysis, dig down into your data, just do a little searching around if that's what you want to do. It's all drag and drop, so there's very little training necessary. It takes me, I can get someone up on Answers in about 15 minutes, but then it also provides very complex functionality when you want to, when your super users want to get deep into creating calculations, combining data, all of those kinds of things. It provides that ability here. You can stack relational data on top of Essbase data. You can do anything you want in this tool. But for the basic user, very quick, you can get up very quickly, and then for the advanced user, they can go as deep as they want to get. It also contains the Smart View functionality that you may be used to. So Smart View users will find all of those standard keep only, remove related, all of those sort of Essbase navigation or Smart View navigation tools. However, it does not require you to have Excel expertise. It's got more wizard-based functionality for creating calculations, so you don't have to be an Excel wizard to get the calculations you want. We also do a lot of pre-calculation in the back end, so you can just deliver answers in the Answers tool. There is in the OBIEE suite, there's a mobile analytics offering. The mobile offering is browser-based, so it's agnostic to whether or not you're using iOS or an Android device. It can be delivered to phones or tablets. There's also templates provided inside the tool, the mobile analytics design tool, that allows you to have a pre-built template where you choose, will this report be designed for a tablet or for a phone? Since there are different form factors, of course, you're going to want to be able to display different types of charts, etc., and different navigation functionality inside those two mobile, those different mobile devices. So those templates are designed to help you design the most effective mobile reporting that you can. There is another tool in OBIEE called BI Publisher. This is a XML-based reporting tool. It's highly customizable reporting. This is sort of your more advanced pixel-perfect reporting, paper-based reporting. It was actually designed to replace the very old school Oracle reports. For people that have been around in this Oracle environment as long as I have, that may be familiar with that. It's highly customizable. It's able to leverage all of the OBIEE data models. However, the separate power in this tool is that you can also directly access and map and access other data sources. Of course, that requires you to have a much higher knowledge of your underlying data, but it is there for say, your more technical developers. This tool will create reports in Word, Excel, PDFs, all of those types of things. They are interactive when online, but also can be set up to be delivered to email or bursting or that type of thing. OBIEE also has another piece of functionality that's considered to be very powerful, and that's the proactive detection and alerts. It's a monitoring tool built inside of OBIEE. They call it Delivers. In its basic form, it can be used to deliver reports to a user or multiple users. But where the real power of it comes is you can design any report and decide on a time frame, and based on the results of that report, deliver an alert to a user through email, text, directly to your dashboard. There's a little icon on the dashboard. So if you have a need to monitor when actuals exceed your budget by 10%, let's say, or if an expense account exceeds a dollar threshold, or in OBIEE, if an expense item exceeds a dollar threshold, you can set a report up, decide on a monitoring time frame, and when that report returns a result, say, actuals exceeded budget, then it will deliver that report immediately. So you could monitor that minute over minute, hour by hour, daily, once a day, once a month, however you want to. But basically, you can design the report, decide on a time frame. You can deliver proactive detection, which is very effective. So to summarize, the difference in OBIEE versus Hyperion reporting, we get multiple data sources displayed on one dashboard, configurable proactive alerts that can be scheduled as needed, as we just discussed in Delivers, interactive simplified analysis in our answers tool based on business terms. It's literally how you set it up. That answers tool also contains Smart View functionality for those people that are already die-hard Smart View users. It's all right there to allow you to keep working with that tool in the same manner. There's a mobile analytics offering and dynamic drill through. You can move anywhere, any direction in the data, navigate from Hyperion to Teradata, related data, through common dimensions. You can move around in any manner you see fit. So the OBIEE dashboards, the power behind OBIEE gives you that robust drill down, ability to display content from any map data source, and it gives you a one-stop shop for all your business. It's all displayed in one place at one time. And it gives you a single point of access for security, for data access is just all right there in one package. All right, I think I might have blasted through this a little bit, but that summarizes my, my presentation, and I'm going to go ahead and pass this back to Greg.
Thank you, David. And thank you all for joining us today for our webinar, Complementing Hyperion to Supercharge Your Reporting Capabilities. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. David's and my contact information are displayed on your screen. Thank you again. Have a great day.